Hi guys, how are you all? In the previous videos, I said some of the questions along with the explanation and also some of the related concepts important. I explained. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and watch the before videos to get some extra knowledge on how to solve the questions so that you get familiar with the written coding questions. Let's start the video. Today the question is written the last and second last letter. If you are given a word, your task is to find the last letter and second last letter with some space. Here the test cases are, we are given the input word, apple is a word. We need to print output the last letter, that is E, and the second last letter L. In the middle, some space need to be taken. In the test case 2, input is coding, right? And the second output is G along with the space N. Don't think that it won't come in the examination. It definitely come like these questions because I personally experienced this question while I was writing the written coding examination. So that I put here. Okay, let me give explanation how to do it. Here we are taking the input. String is taken as input by n is equal to input, like this. And how we can get the last letter in the word? We can get last letter in the word from n of minus 1. It is a indexing concept. I will explain you as like bonus tip here. Okay. And the second last letter, how can we get from n of minus 2? We can get. And we need some space, right? So we are using concatenation operator here. So n of minus 1 plus some space plus n of minus 2. Okay, I will explain you program, and after that I will explain you indexing concept. We need to take input as n is equal to input of input. It is used to take string input, for taking string input. And after that we are using a variable for storing n minus 1 plus, we need some space, right? So we are giving like this, and plus n of minus 2. So after that print a. Okay, we will run it, and we are giving apple. What we are getting output? E and L. And after again I am writing for test case 2, we want coding. So what we will get? G and N. So the test cases are filled. In some examinations, they are asking to write function. So this is the function they will give. We need to write function statements inside the function. How we can write this written? See, I will explain you. I will explain you. They only give S to be taken as input. After that, they are storing some variable A, and this is the function. They are calling the function, and yes, they are giving this input. After that, when we are this function executing this function by using def, how we can give output? Return return L of minus 1 plus with some space L of minus 2. I will execute this program. Apple. So E and L. Again executing this program. So we got the output. Same output we get from here and here. So it is, we are writing the code by one, and here according to the question they gave all this, we need to write code within the function. The return statement like this we need to use. Indentation is necessary. Okay. After that, in the bonus tip, I said I will explain these concepts as indexing and slicing concept. I will explain you. Indexing concept. There are two types of indexing: positive indexing and negative indexing. Positive indexing means index start from 0, and when it goes from left to right, it goes from left to right and it starts from 0. See, let us take the sentence x is equal to practice. Here p is equal to s of 0. To denote p, we can write s of 0, r is equal to s of 1, and a is equal to s of 2, and c is equal to s of 3. Like that we can write from left to right, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. Negative indexing means index starts from -1, it goes from right to left, here to here. So s of -1, s of, sorry, here it is 2, my mistake, s of -3, s of -4, and so on. Like this, it is two types of indexing. When we come to the slicing concept, see, a is equal to, let us take this list as input. After that, how we can find slicing means a of 0 is equal to pen. We can take slicing concept for string also, okay? Yeah, 1 is equal to pencil, rather, like that we can write as I am showed indexing. Start is, here syntax for slicing is start, end, step. Start index, if we take 0 to 5 means it will print the elements from 0 to 4 only. Fifth element won't print. Please remember this point, okay? You will get confused this point. Pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, book. Yes, right? A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4 only. It won't print A of 5. Please remember this point, okay? And it takes last -1 only. A of semicolon 5 means 0. If you won't give start element here also, by default it will take start element to 0 onwards only. So it will bring A of 0, A of 1, like that only. A of 1 is 2 means it will, if starts from first index, it will goes to the last index if you won't give the last element. And if we give like this, it will goes from first to last. Okay, we have three parameters, right? Start, end, and step increment. So a of 0 5 2, so it means it will goes from 0 to 4, last -1, and with step increment 2. That means only uh, 0, step increment 2, and 4. That means we need to get output pen, eraser, book. So we are getting eraser, book. If you want more explanation, I will explain you here. See, if you are confused, I will explain you. See, a is equal to apple. Print a of 0, a of 2, and we want a of -1, right? -1. So let me execute this program. See, here after hello world as like this, and a of 0 means a of 1 means we got p, and a of 2 also p, -1 means coming last one, okay? When we, I will show you slicing. Here we are executing b is equal to pen, paper, book, pencil, eraser, sharpener. Okay, I will ask to print off. I won't give anything. Like this I will ask to print. What will it will give? It will bring all. See, pen, paper, book, pencil, eraser, sharpener. It is printing all. If we see print, we some, we won't give start index, and we will ask to print 5. What will it print? I will show you. it will print about eraser only, because it won't print last index, only last before index, fourth index till fourth index only it will print. We will check here b of 1 is 2. We will check now. It will print from pen to last letter shortener, and we will execute step indexing also. Step indexing, step increment, right? Print C 1 to 5 2. Sorry, I want to put B of, see, first one is paper, and the second, third one is 1, 3, and fifth one won't come because of it last minus 1 and second increment. If you are confused, I will print another. Print B of 0 is to 5, step increment 2. Let me execute this. See, pen, book, paper means 0, and second 2 eraser, sorry, third one eraser. So 0 to 4 step increment, right? Okay, I will explain you this one, what exception will rise here. If we give here small a, if we give a of 7, what will happen here? Index out of bound exception will arise. Okay, see, let me check it. See, if we want to call, we have only till 5 now. If we want to call print b of 8, which is not there, I will execute it. See, in the list index out of range, it will come. That means it will come like this. That means it will display list index out of range. So if it is execute like this, so we need to keep in mind that we have given the index which is not present in the list or some sentence. Okay, I hope you understood this video. Thank you for listening this, and please practice these all coding questions. I will explain more and more. Please subscribe my channel and share like it. Thank you so much.